Hello and welcome to our UMax Golf channel. Today we will be unboxing the new Bushnell Tour V5. So in the box you will find the new V5, and the V5 case. When you remove the V5 from the box, please unscrew the battery cap. Remove the red plastic from inside and place the cap back on. The new V5 is now easier to change between meters and yards. Simply press the button that's on the side of the unit and select either meters or yards. The new V5 case is now stronger and wipeable to use as well.